Welcome student. Now we study about mechanical properties of fluids. In today's session we learn about formation of drop and bubbles, that is also called as Laplace law of spherical membrane. Liquid drops and small bubbles are spherical in shape because of the force of surface tension. If effect of gravity and air resistance are negligible, this force always try to minimize the area of liquid. A bubble or drop does not collapse because the resultant of the external pressure and the force of surface tension is smaller than the pressure inside a bubble or inside a liquid drop. Now we will deduce the equation for the formation of drop and bubbles. Consider a spherical drop as shown in figure. Let P1 be the pressure inside the drop and P0 be the pressure outside it. As the drop is spherical in shape, the pressure Pi inside the drop is greater than Po, the pressure outside the drop. Therefore, the excess pressure inside the drop is Pi minus Po. Let the radius of the drop increases from r to r plus delta r, where delta r is very small, so that the pressure inside the drop remain almost constant. Let the initial surface area of drop to be A1 is equal to 4 pi r square and the final surface area of the drop be A2 is equal to 4 pi in bracket r plus delta r bracket square. The increase in surface area of the drop is dA is equal to A2 minus A1 will be equal to 8 pi r delta r. Work done to increase the surface area 8 pi r delta r is extra surface energy. Therefore, dW is equal to T dA is equal to T into 8 pi r delta r. This work done is also equal to the product of the force F, which causes increase in the area of the bubble, and displacement delta r, which is the increase in the radius of the bubble. That is, dW is equal to F into delta r. The excess force is given by excess pressure into surface area, that is, F is equal to Pi minus P0 into 4 pi r square. From the equation of excess force and work done, the equation becomes Pi minus P0 is equal to 2T by R. This is the equation gives the excess pressure inside the drop, and this is also called as the Laplace law of spherical membrane. Expression for formation of soap bubble. In case of soap bubble, there are two free surfaces in contact with air, the inner surface and outer surface. For a bubble, the change in area is twice, that is, dA is equal to 2 into 8 pi r delta r. Hence, total increase in the surface area of soap bubble, which increases its radius by delta r, that is 2 into 8 pi r delta r. The work done by this excess pressure is dW is equal to Pi minus P0 into 4 pi r square delta r, that is dw is equal to t into 16 pi r delta r. Therefore pi minus p0 is equal to 4t by r. This equation gives the excess pressure inside a bubble. See the simple example based on this formula of excess pressure.